Yeah. Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright.
That's right. What's up? What's up, everyone? We good? We good to go? Let's go. Hey, what's up? What's up, Keegan in the house? Frick. What's up? iTrades, Design Knob, Cajun, Sonic Rules, Keegan, Murphy in the house, Daz, Jip Smith, Limey the Great. What's going on? Truhan, welcome, welcome. Hey, what's up, Corey? Are we gonna get a little pump? Probably. A little gap. Little gap up. We'll see. How was everyone's day today? What's up, Apple? Sovereignty? Did you guys have a good day today? All right, let me see here. So funny thing is I got a Apex account that I forgot about. It's kind of nice. Hey, what's up, Pamela? Sovereignty, I made 30 bucks. Hey, 30 bucks, 30 bucks. Almost enough for an extra value meal at McDonald's. Almost. Sign in here. So I had a good day today. Just trying to get signed in here. Yeah, so this Apex account was down in the depths. I don't know what happened or where, but I got an email saying that, oh yeah, you have an Apex account that is close to being deactivated because of inactivity rule. Thankfully, they send out those emails, so I signed in and I had $600 in drawdown, approximately. Ended up making about 600 on it today, which is pretty sweet. The Lucid account. This is the account I started last night at eval. I didn't even trade it today. I traded that, made that 360 last night on stream. Didn't even trade it. I don't even know. This account I made 150, 160 on it. So looking for the second payout on this account. And take profit trader. Did it again. I did it again. Take profit trader right here. Bingo bango. 625 on the one on that 99 account. 182 on the rest. Didn't quite get it to 200, but that's all right. So nice daily payout incoming. You can see the calendar right here. See the calendar here. This is the Take Profit Trader calendar. You can see I have the 5 pro accounts highlighted right here. You don't want to see me do the all accounts for lifetime. That's for damn sure. But 12 winning days in a row, 0 losing days. P&L's $27,689.50. And you're taking out right around 17K this month in daily payouts with Take Profit Trader. So winning on that front. That's not all the payouts this month either. So it was a good payout month so far. And expenses were really low too. So yeah, that's what we got going on today. Yo, Jim in the house. 8 p.m. was fire last night. Yeah, I completely missed it. And I was very, very FOMO-ish. Look, you see I drew this line before we hopped off stream last night. I got off stream, and I shut the chart down. To be honest with you, I went and took a shower almost immediately after stream. I didn't even look at the chart. Got something to eat, and then I came back and I was like, what the? I said, oh yeah, we filled that gap. So very disappointed that I missed it. So I had a lot of FOMO because I love trading those open gaps. And then last night I ended up, so after I noticed right around here, so you can see right around 10, 11 o'clock or so, I noticed that ES had not filled the gap yet. It came down, half gapped it, and I kept trying to short NASDAQ based off the ES. In hindsight, I wish I would have just shorted ES, but then ES ended up rolling over finally after, I don't know, it must have been close to London, and then ended up filling that open gap. So did anyone else catch that move? What a nice move. I totally missed it, which sucked. We ended up green today, but yeah, that'd have been a nice one to catch. What's up, NQD in the house? Bingo Clambo. That's right, Coach Fred. What's up? What else we got? It's Mo, bro. Romeo. 3 micros deep in the trade. I was a moose in the headlights, Romeo. That's because I was only trading what you saw. Like, it wasn't the only thing I was trading. It's the only thing I could talk about on stream, right? So yeah. Right, I know what you're saying though. Miss K, what's up? So what Romeo is referring to is on stream, we were doing the round table and I was short, right? And I was short in some daily payout accounts as well. So yeah, it was actually like a real money type of trade because, you know, I'm over the buffers. So yeah, I have to be, you know, when I'm over on that show, I can't really talk about it. So like before you type, that's right. It's Mo, bro, in the house. What's going on? Investors. I caught the APM move after being chopped at 6 to 8. Yeah. So we ended up green last night on stream between 6 and 8, but yeah, the move happened after. That was a nice move. Tony Gold, Disciplined Futures Trader, Magic Trader, digging some evals out of the dungeon. Not bad this morning. Did I just jinx it? Little Timo? Oh, no, you got it. Romeo, yeah, for sure. How was my day, Magic Trader? Great. Yeah, I don't even know what, 600 plus 180, 180, 180, 180. Yeah, over $1,000 daily payout today. Great day. And green on everything else. So trying to dig this one out of the hole. This one was just sitting there idle. I'm back to $1,227 in drawdown, so gonna try to trade that account as well. The old Apex, 90% off. Use code Pine. Appreciate the support. I'm thinking about loading up on some Apex accounts. First world problems and getting bored with the daily payouts. No, I'm just kidding. But just trying to stay small with the daily payout accounts, but then trying to run up another big payout with Apex with, you know, I'm looking for 10 or more accounts probably. I have more funded accounts active now that I have had total. No idea how to handle the situation. Well, you know, take your time and evaluate, not financial advice, Mototimo, but maybe over the weekend, kind of think about like what you want to try to do. Do you want to try to copy trade them all and trade that way, trade them smaller? or do you want to rotate the accounts around, which, you know, inevitably is a lot more trades. So just kind of got to feel like where you're at. It also kind of depends on what kind of accounts they are too. I like to copy trade within the firms. What's up, Miss Trend? Surfer in the house. I was having such a great trading day, but I was stubborn and held a bad trade that cost me 80% of what I've won. Yeah, that's been my MO. That used to be my MO for a long time, just in trading in general. So you would have, let's just say you string together a nice month like this, and then it takes one day to wipe it all out. Just one day. And that's the way I used to be a lot. Not so much anymore, but it does still happen. All right, we got less than a minute here before the market opens here. JR, what's up? Magic Trader, just keep killing it. Yeah, I am crushing it. I'll be fully honest with you. I am absolutely destroying the daily payouts. And here's the recipe. I got over the buffer. I aggressively got over the buffer as fast as I could. I passed multiple take profit trader accounts. On day one, I got 5 of them over the buffer. And then I've been trading mostly micros. But here the market's looking to open up here. See what we got. Good luck. Oh, no gap. Boo. Boo. No gap. All right, we'll wait for another setup here, or a good setup. So no gap. We do have some single prints to the downside there. There goes single prints. With no gap, feels like a sideways market for sure. Who would say who has the best daily payout accounts after take profit trader account? Oh boy. I think the end of the day, my funded futures accounts. I know they pay me to say that, but really, I think, I mean, it's got to be, right? Hey, what's up? Alpine Trader with a 14 months. How about that? Thank you, Alpine, with a 14 months. But let me think about that. Who has the best accounts? I'm going to say, yeah, I think maybe... Why do Lenchi, what's going on? Why, just wondering why people buy accounts with activation fee. There are so many alternatives without activation fee. Yeah, okay, that's actually a good question, and I have a pretty simple answer. The reason why people buy accounts with an activation fee is that usually, most of the time, is that the evaluation is much cheaper. And so I always recommend to people that if you are new to trading, you're probably going to blow a lot of evaluations, the test accounts. So the best way to do it is to buy a cheap eval and practice on it. And if you pass it, then great. Then you pay the activation fee and then you try to get to a payout. But chances are, like if you tried to buy a Buellanox account or an Apex account and you're paying $20, $30, like right now, Apex brought back those legacies for 90% off. You know, that's the best way to do it, is just kind of trade those cheaper accounts. I also personally like when I got the big payout, that big one payout this year with Apex, I had tried to pass as many of those accounts as possible, and I utilized the cheap evaluations to do it. I don't want to smash or pass accounts that are, you know, $100 or more, right? So, but if they're $20 or more, then I can afford. I'm like, all right, well, I can go through 10 of these. I'm gonna just try to do 10 accounts. You know, you're investing $200, and boom, 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 boom. You know, I might pass 5 of them or whatever. And so I'm like, all right, I got 5 pass, and then I'll buy some more, and then I'll keep trying to pass them. So that's the reason, to me. But other people might have other reasons. Currently is the best daily payout accounts from My Funded Futures without a doubt. Bullhead, yes. Tradeify Select, I agree. And then Lucid, probably, right? So if we had to rank the daily payouts, I would say, I kind of agree with you, Bullhead. I would say Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Lucid, daily payouts. Trade Day is another option. They're not as good as they used to be. When they had end-of-day plans, I'm going to be very, very curious if Trade Day, if Take Profit Trader comes out with end-of-day plans like they want to, then Trade Day is definitely going to change up their plans again. It's so funny that they had a good plan going with the end-of-day accounts, in my opinion, and they're still a good company, but they ended up going to intraday trailing. And the advantage of trading Trade Day was the end of day, and then they got rid of it. So the only accounts that I used to buy was Trade Day, end of day accounts, because I'm like, well, essentially it's very similar to Take Profit Trader, and they have end of day accounts. You couldn't trade 5 accounts, you could only trade 3. But yeah. So yeah, it would be a nice thing if I could just stack. I was thinking about maybe I'd just stack my Take Profit Trader accounts on top, and or stack some My Funded Future accounts on top. So, but yeah. The only reason why I don't like My Funded Futures rapid accounts over Take Profit Trader, I'll tell you the only reason why I don't is because, like, for instance, like today, let me show you my P&L here. So this is today's P&L with Take Profit Trader. The only reason why I don't like My Funded Futures is because you have to take $500. That's the minimum payout out of each account. And if you guys go through all my daily payouts recently, last Friday I made $60 on each account, and I took the withdrawal. I mean, is it a lot of money? Well, no, it's not a lot of money, but it really adds up. You know, $60 times 5, that's a 9 to 5 day, a day all day, in my book. So that's the only reason. Besides that, everything else is almost better because it's a 90-10 split, it's an end of day drawdown. But right now, my game plan is to just try to make $200 right around that benchmark, $200 a day, and then I've been hitting that lockout button. So I had a bunch of 99% Apex accounts. Oh, nice. For months, I just bought them so cheap, the accounts really matter. Yeah, that is true. Sometimes, yeah, I mean, when I get them 90% off, it's those eval lives don't matter much. Yeah, Moto Timo for sure. You don't smash trade days? No. Those trade days, no. Thankful, yes. Yeah, thankful for the cheap evals for sure, Coach Fred. Hello, teacher. Trade days increased profit target not recommended. Yeah, trade day. They got some work to do. I think. I think you're gonna see them do a little reform. So, I mean, I know my friend Alpine knows too. I mean, I've heard him talk about it. I mean, this is where the industry is going right now. Is daily payout accounts. Thanks to people like us. Like I would say the us as in like myself, Alpine. some of the influencers really push in daily payout accounts, because I mean, they really are great. I mean, they really are. And now all the props are trying to get involved in the daily payout stuff. So yeah, Brian, I haven't looked into them much. But yeah, if I get maxed out with some of those accounts, then sure. I learned how to copy trade a bunch of accounts, stop being nervous, to stop being nervous while I trade was active. Yes. Oh, nice, Moto TMO, yeah. If you want to copy trade TPT and trade if I have the edge on my finish. Yeah, I was watching, I came in when Alpine won the trade, so yeah, nice. If you want to copy trade TPT and Tradeify, have the edge on my fund futures and Tradeify only with 25K since the minimum is 250. Yes, okay, that's a good point, Helpful. That's exactly what I was actually thinking about earlier today. It's funny, you guys are like reading my mind. I'm like, well, Tradeify has a minimum payout of 250, and I'm really trying to go with trying to get to $200 a day. So I might pick up some Tradeify accounts and then see if I can copy trade them together. But I mean, I'm quite happy and quite content of what I've been doing with Take Profit Trader. Been pulling in just about $1,000 or more, sometimes 2, close to 3 every single day for the last, I don't even, what, 12 days, 13 days, 14 days, something like that, 12 days. So I've been really, how many days was it? 12 days. So yeah. So I've been quite happy and content with that. And I just don't, as like you guys said, it's like when you start copy trading accounts all together, I feel like I might get a little bit nervous. So we'll see. $1K a day on low stress trades. How do you do 1,000 a day? Very simple. Very simple. Like today, I'm copy trading 5 accounts. They're all over the buffer. I'm trading micros for the most part. This account, so what I do is my goal is to try to make $200 a day. So I can withdraw 182, 182, 182, 182, and 625 today. And so I've been doing that just about every single day, if not more. Sometimes I make a little bit more. So if you go to my post here in my calendars, so like here's yesterday, 955, 245, 245, 245, 245. So what I do is, like, if I have multiple accounts, so let me just show you multiple accounts here. As soon as I hit $200 times the 5 accounts, I go in and I lock up 4 of those accounts for the day, and then I leave 1 account to sling around. So once I hit $200, I lock it up, and then I leave 1 account to sling around to try to make a little bit more. So that's what I've been doing, and rinse and repeat. So I've been doing this for the last 12 trading days. Here's the other day, 245 right here. Here's another one. Here's the last Friday. I really didn't make that much. I didn't make $1,000 that day. But yeah, just here's one, 1,400, 268, 268, 268, 268. This was the 19th. And so I've just been doing that. You can see the withdrawals here. I've just been doing that over and over and over again. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, here's one where I just base hit it, 235, 235 across the board. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing. But copy trading those accounts and utilizing the copy trader to my advantage. So, exclamation point Pine in the chat, by the way, guys. We will give away a Lucid 50K flex tonight. to one of you grays and one of the members. So do you know when My Funny Futures usually transferred to live accounts? It's pretty random, or is it the number of payouts requested amount? Yeah, if you get 5 payouts on one account, they will automatically review you to go live. So no matter which account it is, if you get 5, besides that, it can be random, but if you get 5 on one account, they will automatically review you. So if you're on a builder account or something like that, and you get 5 payouts in a row, that's what happened to me with My Funny Futures. That's how I ended up getting moved to live. And not financial advice, guys, but let's just say you have a 25K builder account. Don't try to get moved to live with a 25K builder account, because you'll get moved to live with a $1,000 plus they take out the activation fee for each. I mean, not the activation fee, but the data fees. So be careful with that. So they're going to withdraw the data fees, plus you have to leave $150 in your account. So the data fees are $150 per instrument. So if you're trading NASDAQ and YM, that's $300 out of your $1,000 right there. So what is that? Let's see. That's $700. And then you have to leave $150. So that leaves you with what? Like $550. Not recommended. So not financial advice. If you're crushing it with My Funny Futures or any of those accounts, like crush it with a pro account or something like that, where you can build it up, and that way if they move you to live, because then you have to go on a 21-day cooldown period, which is fine, but yeah. 1K a day from a firm is crazy because we still have 3 to 4 other firms to trade. Yeah, so like I was saying, I mean, I took out a few payouts with My Funny Futures this month too, and Lucid. So yeah, I've been crushing it. It's been a good month. Surprisingly, you know, a lot of people are complaining about the month of August, and to me, it's not like I love the price action or anything like that. It's just I'm just trading what I see in the market. I try not to think about it too much. I know, like, when I come on and I host and I'm doing the show, and it's just a big talking head, but at the end of the day, it's like no one really knows what's going to happen in the market. It's just one of those deals where we just try to do our best. And where I trade on lower time frames, it doesn't really matter. Sorry, I got a little distracted there. 500 days all you need for 6 figures a year, nomadic trades. Yeah, that's kind of my goal, is just try to keep it going. I mean, my goal is to get Pro Plus with Take Profit Trader. I really don't mind going Pro Plus, because then it'll go 90-10 split. So if I can do that, then that's perfectly fine by me. But for now, I'm just going to keep taking those sim payouts and putting it right into the old bank account. Let's see. The lockout button is the golden goose. It really is. So I've been utilizing that lockout button like instantly. As soon as I get to like $200, I'm like, bink, lock it out. If I'm in a trade, say I'm up like 160 on all the accounts, and then I get into a trade and it's going in my favor, I try to push it a little bit on that particular trade. And you know, you've seen some of those where they were like up to like 250 or whatever. If I make like 250 on each of them, and then I immediately go in and I lock them all out for the day, boom, and then I leave one open to my button pushing. So yeah. So yeah, that's kind of been the game plan. And you know, it really hasn't had anything to do with any particular strategies or anything like that. But what's up, Loco in the house? Kelly Kaufman, OMH. What about a rapid? I don't think the rapid works that way, J-Trade. As far as the payouts go, the 5 in a row. Kelly Kaufman, that's a joke. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Yep, pretty much, Kelly, for sure. Barretto, what's going on? What's up? What's up? Sosa's table in the house. What's going on? David Investor. Price action has been horrible lately. The Globex has been nasty. Miss K says smash that like button. Like before you type. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you want to join the 50K Lucid giveaway. If the price action goes really, really slow tonight, I might quit a little bit early because I got dinner plans. But if it starts to pick up, we'll hang out. Been doing the same, not getting 1K a day every day, but just going for $100 or $200 with 2 micros max. Yeah, let's go, Magic Trader. Yeah, you consistently do that over a nice little span, and it really adds up. You can and will get to many payouts doing that. How many points am I usually aiming for? So I have been slinging the micros around a lot, and it's not really a point thing, really. Like I said, I'm fully transparent. I've been slinging around the micros during the Asia session and not using stop losses, starting with 1 micro, looking for $20, $50. My average wins is right around $50. And then I'll add into it. If I start to catch a nice move, then I'll add into that winning trade. So sometimes I'll catch like a $100 or $200 move in one shot, which has been pretty rare. But yeah, I've been doing a little DCAing as well. So I've just been slinging like 1-2 micros, and it almost got me in trouble. What was it, 2 nights ago? I ended up catching a move like this. I ended up selling the low. Basically, I went and sold short here on something like this. I went and sold here. I was only looking, the crazy thing, I was only looking for another $20. Big mistake. Famous last words. I was up 180. I was looking for 200 and ended up trying to DCA, and then I ended up closing the trade out. I was down quite a bit of money. I ended up flipping to minis. I talked about this yesterday or day before yesterday. Flipping to minis, ended up going long to get back my money. So like I said, I almost killed all those accounts. Thankfully not, because we've gotten another almost 3,000 in payouts since then. But yeah, it was close call. It might happen. You know, the goal is to not let it happen, but it might happen. It's probably why Take Profit Trade hasn't took me in the live yet. They're probably looking at my trades like, this guy's a little wild. I don't know. Because I really haven't been going for any systematic type of trading on it. I just been like, well, you know, it's like we break an inside bar, an outside bar, and I'm like, I think we're going higher. And then I push the button high to go higher, that kind of stuff. And then a lot of it is like, you can see a lot of my trades that I've been doing on the 99 account. It's the one that I've been building up. You can see a lot of that when I'm trading in the mornings and stuff. What's up, Sebastian? Like, do I size to get out quick? I mean, we can look at my calendar here. I think part of the reason why is because I can't use brackets, but let's pull up the old Take Profit Trader calendar. All right, so you got the take profit trader accounts right here. You can see 625 and 182 times all those accounts here. But let's take a look at the performance and see how we're doing. So I was kind of saying, well, let's see if I go this quarter, that should be enough. Yeah, if we look at the 99 here, you see my win rate's right around 62, but my average win rate, let me go to one of the ones that haven't been slinging around as hard. Yeah, average winning trade is 68 bucks. My average losing trade is $45. And yeah, just been kind of slinging around those. And then, so what I have gotten myself out of trouble with is over leveraging and then going to that mini, which is to get me out of trouble. But for the most part, it's just been sticking with those micros and looking for those little baby trades. So whatever the win rate, so starting off with like 1 to 3 micros usually is where my rate in my wheelhouse. And then but I was just looking at my average losing trade. Average losing trade, this is always the case with me. Average losing trade 17 minutes and 33 seconds. Average winning trade 8 minutes. So, but yeah, you see nice little equity curves. You see the other night where I ended up having that dip, and then I ended up trading a mini to get out of it. But yeah, it's pretty much the same across all the accounts because I've been copy trading them, except this account here. This is the one I've been pushing the button on. This one's a little bit higher. So you see the P&L is a little bit higher too. Yeah, lots of micros. All right, market pushing up here. We're gonna take out the high. I might push the button here to see if we can take out the high here. I'm long. On his Apex PA. So we took out the low, right, of that 5-minute ORB. I mean, not the 5-minute, 2-minute ORB. So I want to see if we can take out the high of that 2-minute. If we took out the the 5-minute ORB, but we have not yet. We're still inside that. So I'm just trying this little tradertainment. This is an account that I really didn't care about at all. I mean, I didn't even know it existed, and turns out it did exist. So we'll see. Oh, got stopped out quick. Holy cow, what happened there? Lost 195 on that. Hey, what's up, Sebastian in the house? What's up, RW? Doing great. Pine was on tilt? Oh yeah, I tilt all the time. Trying to learn to balance, but yeah. Well, yeah, like I talked about, if you follow my socials, I talked about how what a dirty SOB that was. What was that? Take me out and then pop right back up. Imagine trading options right now if you're in Asia. No. Did you see Tradeify new updated 300K? I didn't like the first one. Did they update it? I thought the other one, the math just wasn't great. But no, I didn't see the new one. MKH, what's up? Yeah. Thank you, Loco. 25% win rate, nothing wrong with that. If you have a 25% win rate, but you're taking nice 3R, 4R trades, it's nothing. I mean, to me, I struggle doing stuff like that. I struggle having a win rate. I like having a little bit higher win rate. My best trading usually comes between 60 and 70%. 1R, that's usually right where I fall. What a dirty move. Why? Like, why? Who else we got in the chat? Pushing the button? Yeah. Hey, what's up? Nostradamus? What's up? Nostradamus? What's going on? Willy. Yeah, so exclamation point pine. Hey, what's up, Ram? What's up, Britt? Unbelievable. I go along, it stops me out about 10 points and then just pops right back up out of nowhere. It literally just came down. It's almost like it saw my sim order down there and just was like, yeah, I'm going to take that and I'm just going to pop right back up right past your. So, but you're not going to get me. I'm going to go in again. Whatever, you can come down and get me again. I'm gonna push the button here. See if we can take out that high. Come on, nice little combo trade here. There's just no volume, is there? Like, this would be a beautiful combo trade setup to push up through that high. Normally, this would be a trade I would take during New York all day, every day. But I just don't know if we have the volume to push it up through. Hopefully, we'll see. This is on a Apex PA. Come on, do it for the stream. Ugh. Gross. That's not a good candle. Gross candle there. But we're gonna hold it. We're gonna be bold and hold. See if we can get it back above 640s. Tradeify now allows 8 sim funded accounts. Let's go. Wow, thank you, Bullhead. 8 sim funded accounts. That's big news. Man, I love the competition we got going on here. Pine for Tradeify. If you pick it up any of those Tradeify accounts. Appreciate that. Code Pine. That's big. 8. I like that. Oh, what is this? Hey, Simplistic Videos, what's going on? What makes the combo trade? Just the combinations between the outside inside bars. But we might get chopped to death here. Tough to take the momentum breakout when there's no volume. I can't believe it. I can't believe it came down and did that. So we're still stuck inside the middle of this 5-minute opening range right now. I guess I'm trying to bank to see if it goes and takes out the top side of it first. Do you see a combo in the 5-minute? No, just an outside bar, which actually I do like. If I like to trade the solos on the 5-minute, then I like trading these outside bars. Oh, do I see a combo right here? Yeah, this is a combo trade, but here's the thing, Gyp Smith, is the first 5-minute bar is usually an outside candle anyways, where it's an engulfing type of deal. I usually don't count those at all because it usually is always an outside candle where you get that volatility. Usually, not every night, but oh, look at this chop fest. When all these 2-minute candles start coloring up like this is when you know you're chopping sideways. I feel like I just take my L here. Spare the account. Oh man. Yeah, there it goes, right back down. This is trash. This is trash. I wouldn't be trading right now. If I weren't streaming, I wouldn't be trading. I mean, it's not even moving. Yeah, when you open up inside the 5-minute, when you have a 5-minute candle and you open up inside it and then it just chops around within that 5-minute, it tends to get really, really choppy until you break outside of it one direction or the other. This is what I've noticed during Globex. So I don't know if it'll happen right now or if it's gonna wait till Asia. Well, I mean, it's just flagging too. It's a big time flag. What's gold up to? Gold looking like a better trade, to be honest. Gold's doing that grindy open, the zombie crawl up and to the right, which has been doing just about every single night this week. Could I tell Tape Profit Trader on dashboard to update it faster? I wish, yeah. Yeah, updates right around 8:30 to 9 o'clock at night for me. That's PM Eastern time. But the nice thing is that we have the instant payouts now with Tape Profit Trader, so it instantly goes into your wallet. This is garbage. I gotta get out of this trade here. I'm moving my stop up tight. If it gets stopped out, I'm out. I don't want to sit through this anymore. Risking 200 bucks. If it comes down and hits 633, then so be it. If it decides it wants to pop up through here, we'll take it, but I'm not gonna sit through a bunch of drawdown and then just have it go sideways. And after a good day and a really good month and a good week, it's just I just hate that. It takes away all your mental capacity. I swear. So we're gonna keep a really tight stop here. If it wants to pop, so be it. If not, I'm gonna lose 200 bucks. It'll probably come down, hit my stop, and then pop, right? So how do you trade eval? Take profit trade to evals, 1 to 3 micros? No, 1 to 3 minis. 1 to 3 minis. Get them over that buffer. That is like step 2 of an eval to me. So I just want to get them over as fast as possible. And I will blow an account or two. That's why I don't know if you remember a couple weeks ago, I was stopped out. Yeah, I don't know if you remember a couple weeks ago, I ended up I had like what, 7 or 8 take profit trader evals that I had been working on to try to get them pass. So I actually still have a take profit trader eval in the bank right now that's passed. What's up, Genius in the house? What's going on? I'm looking at the weather. It's more interesting than the charts. Hoover flag. Yeah, this is crap. I want to stay in this long as well, but ES looking dumpy. Yeah, let's take a look at gold here. That's good. Down 400. I don't know how I can manage. I mean, the market's not moving and I managed to be down 400 real quick. I mean, it just comes down and takes me out. Now this is probably the time to buy down the low of this range. But taking a look at gold here. Take a look at gold. We're kind of doing that death zombie crawl up and to the right. So it almost makes me want to just try to hop in on a little pullback on gold and just see if it can take us up there. But really, I mean, I don't know. It's just like one of those deals. Like I swear I would just shut it down if I wasn't streaming, and I would just. But we're here. We got to trade something. Oh, let's see. Slightly bullish on gold, Genius. Yeah. David the Investor. Yeah. It's possible, right? Just keeps going. Same, I just did that. I went break even. I think we need Tokyo to wake up. Yeah, we need Tokyo to wake this market up for sure. Chop Fest, yeah. Golden didn't do much today, so it shouldn't be making any big moves tonight. Yeah, I haven't really watched too much gold. I didn't watch gold today. Not much. Surprisingly, I ended up getting that 156 at the open. I didn't talk about it, but guys, that's another day's traded on Lucid. So what day is that? Is that 4 or 5? I can't remember. I don't remember. It happened so quick that I didn't even talk about it, but let me just check the dashboard here. I ended up going short at that open, looking for those zero prints. Let's see the calendar here. Yeah, so I still need one more day. You can see the calendar right here. So I've taken out one payout out of this Lucid Flex for 1,400 bucks and locked in another 156 today. So I need one more day of 150 or more to lock in another payout, and currently the account is sitting at 2,047, so it should be right around $1,000. So we'll take that, hopefully. So Sunday night, hopefully I can get that 156, and then we can get that payout. Nice little G, nice little bag. There he goes. This is a little pop down here. I'm gonna try a long. I know it's punishment, but tradertainment. Oh, come on. Film me. Maybe I switch to micros. The spread's better. Come on, break out of this. I'm wondering if this was a fake breakdown out of this range. So put in a nice little pin bar. I'm wondering if we try to break out of this. Start scalping 5 points at a time here pretty soon. Or 3 points at a time. Gold's getting a little pullback. Now I don't know if I trust the gold. Keeping an eye on gold. What is this? I don't know. It is time to go to dinner. That's what it is. Time for a drink. This is Thursday night beer, Thirsty Thursday for me. So this is my Friday night for the Pine Tree Trader stream. And this is Thirsty Thursday. So it's time. I'm ready for those one of those Moscow mules. Oh my goodness, guys. Yeah, I'm trying to make lemonade out of lemons, but I'm watching gold. Gold's rounding over a little bit. So if you're trading an intraday trailing account, not financial advice, I highly recommend you don't trade right now. Intraday trailing account will absolutely, you'll destroy it. This account is intraday trailing, but I'm in drawdown, so it doesn't really matter. But you will cook your account here. These little, if you were even if you were short there, so say you went short down to 27 and it pops back up. Now you're down another $200 in your intraday trailing drawdown stuff, so I like the quick, fast moves during the New York Open for intraday trailing drawdown. So like I said, not financial advice. You do what you want to do, but just think about it, because a choppy action like this can destroy an intraday trailing drawdown account. Destroy it. Just pick a direction. I mean, stop me out or something. I mean, I don't even care. Do it for the people. We got top of the hour in 11 minutes. Maybe that'll shake something up. Gold finding a bid at 46.60. Trying to bounce back up. Hey, what's up, True in the house? Snooze Fest, no trades yet. I don't blame you. Globex's PA is crap. Yeah, it is really bad. Barefoot Greenback in the house. What's going on, P Long? Found out today that I have enough points in my TPT wallet for a 25K eval reset. So if I buy one, I can get a reset credit for free. Might have to use code Pine and get one. Nice. Thank you, OMH. Yeah, Pine, all cash. Take Profit Trader. Thank you so much. You guys remember when Take Profit Trader used to do the, what was it, the Apple lap MacBook? Remember that when it was one of the rewards, the MacBook? That was a long. Does anyone remember that? Yeah, you used to be able to get enough rewards points to get a Apple MacBook laptop. that was whack in the day. I'm sure Coach Fred remembers that. All right, can we break out of this range, please, and preferably to the upside? Is there a time of night that you would say it's okay to trade intraday trailing accounts? Yeah, after Tokyo, it's much better. So 8 p.m. Eastern time. After that, usually the volatility starts to pick right up, and you can start to get some nice moves. Not every night though. Last night was decent. You had some good moves, but yeah, not every night. What's up, Tim Korth? What's up? You think we might get at least 3 points move? 7 HPMs, 7 points per minute right now. I don't trade ATRs, but let's see if I have it here. ATR, LDT ATR, here we go. Let's see. So yeah, we're right at 7 points on a 2-minute chart and dropping. So this is the average true range if you guys are new traders. So this is basically the size of the candles, the average size of the candles. Right now we're sitting under 7. So pretty gross. And with a 3-point spread on NASDAQ, on the NQ, that doesn't really give you much. Like, it doesn't give you much room. Start scalping 2-3 points, maybe. Pine, I just passed my first ever eval last night. Guys, smash that confetti for Tim Korth. That's an amazing accomplishment. Passing his first eval ever. We're all on a different journey. Some of us are getting payouts. Some of us are just trying to pass an account. Some of us are brand new, haven't even bought an account and is thinking about it. So let's go. Congratulations. What's up, Nostradamus? But congratulations. Oh, this is gross. I don't even want to embarrass myself by being in a trade. It's not even responsible. I'm out. Currently down about 400 out of this PA account. Up 150 on the Lucid Flex. Locking in another days traded of $150 or more. Need one more day. How hard can it be? The thing to remember is that I don't need consistent days. I've been thinking about it. Now, I don't know what you guys think. I don't know. I've been thinking about either trying to get that 150 next Sunday, Monday, and then just locking in $1,000, or do I try to go for the max payout and try to build up that account a little more, or at least try to get a little more than 1,000? I don't know. I might just take out the grand, take the payout and run, right? See ya in the house, Hawkeye boy. Yes, well done, Tim Korth. Amazing. Yo, Jim. I haven't seen the market this dead in a while. There goes gold popping up there. First payout 1K, then try to run it up after that. Well, I've already gotten one for 1,400 helpful. So I took one out of that account already for 1,400, and then I just been doing the 150, 150, 150. What is this calendar thing? I just noticed. What is this? Oh, cool. Oh, neat. It's got earnings too. Does anyone know? I just noticed this on Trade-of-8. Calendar. It's got economic events, and it's got earnings, and then you can. That's neat. I didn't even know that was there. That's cool. Still like the Forex Factory though. Yeah, so I already taken one out of this account. Let's take a look at the performance. So this account's been pretty good. 76%. Average winning trade $200. Average losing trade $134. That's beautiful. If I'm trading like that, that's payout time. That's payout time. So we've been grinding this account up pretty good. All minis mostly. A few micros here and there, but mostly minis. And just looking for. You can see I only take 26 trades, so I haven't been trading the account that much. So yeah, that account's been doing pretty well. Well, let's take a look at the Forex Factory real quick. We do have some news coming in tomorrow. We need a tweet. That's what we need. We need a tweet. Here we go. So, news tomorrow, real quick. We got GDP, Canadian GDP. And then we have at 9 a.m., we have Fed speakers, and then University of Michigan consumer sentiment, preliminary benchmark payrolls revision, all at 10 a.m. And then Jackson Hole all day, but that's what we got going on. And we are still sideways. Hey, what's up, Hitman in the house? How was my day, Linda Miles? Beautiful day. Yes, more daily payouts, and then green on everything else. But tonight we're currently red on this account. Down 420. Just got chopped. But yeah, it was a pretty good day. Hope you had a good day as well. August doldrums. All EA folks are on holiday. Oh, interesting. Oh, it's a 50K account? Yeah, it's a 50K account. Just needed 12 bucks to pass the TPT eval. Bought a MGC and it pulled back, so I added more. Was down 100 bucks. Had me puckered up just as bad as down 1K. Yeah, I know. When you just need a little bit more to pass, I get that way too in the evals too. It's just like, man, I just need a little more to pass. Because at the end of the day, that's, you know, that's the money that you're spending, you know. So it's like, wow, it's 105 bucks, sure, but still, it's like you want to get it passed. especially the ones that you've been grinding on for a while. I have PTSD from being so close and blowing it. I've been there. I blew one. What was my record on this stream? I think it was like 60 cents or something. I ended up blowing an account. Something crazy. I mean, that's pretty nuts. I didn't trade this morning, Linda Miles. Yeah, it was a little it was a tricky open. If you look at the 5-minute chart look at this 5-minute chart. It went barcode action. So it just barcoded, and then it finally broke out a little bit and just kind of grinded the rest of the day. Putting in a higher lows, higher low, and is it gonna break out now, or is this gonna be a false breakout? It's almost like I don't even trust it. Guys, smash that like button. Let's see if we get those likes up. I want to see. We got right around 200 people watching right now, so if we can get those likes up to around 200, close to, even though the price action sucks, we can do a giveaway. So if you haven't hit the like button, please hit that like button. Let's try to get it up to 200. Let's try to get us YouTube featured once again. 5-minute combo. Yeah, Jesus. Yeah, sort of is. I don't even trust it. It's just so, there's just no volume. But yeah, you're right. Thank you, Mo. Man, it's just nasty, isn't it? Nasty. Feels like buyers are hesitant in the market, but money makers keep pushing it. Oh yeah, just keep buying. Cherie, I know, just keep buying. With all the news that's coming out, and I mean, I was looking at the national debt today. I mean, it's just absolutely insane. The national debt just pushed $40 trillion. The national debt, $40 trillion. $117,000 for every individual living in the United States. Just keep buying. Just keep buying. We're just gonna keep naming lakes. Hey, if you guys are living in different countries, we're gonna come for your lakes, and we're gonna name them Lake America, Lake number 1, area code number 1. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, what kind of world are we living in? We're coming for your lakes. We want your lakes. We want all your fish. Yeah, it's nuts. About $40 trillion, that's staggering. 117,000 for every individual living in the United States. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. We just keep borrowing and keep buying. Just joking, everyone. The price of everything continues to go higher, but price in gold, things have been getting cheaper. Yeah. Maple syrup is now American syrup. That's right. That's right. We're taking over their maple syrup too, by the way. Sorry. I live in Canada and times are crazy. Yeah, I love you Canadians. I'm practically Canadian myself. I mean, I'm pretty close. I'm pretty close to the border. Matter of fact, I think the next trip, one of the next trips I want to do is I'm gonna go to I'm drawing a blank here. Quebec City. I've never been, and I just got my passport, so, and it's not that far of a drive for me. It's about 4 hours. Nice little day trip. So I probably just drive right up 201 right through Jackman, which is one of my favorite places in Jackman, and then drive right into Quebec City. I'd love to check out Quebec City. It looks so cool. Don't tell him I might not make it out alive. Yeah, I know. Well, you used to be able to when you used to be able to go over the border without a passport, you know, living in Maine. And, you know, when I used to do a lot of snowmobiling, things like that, people used to just go across the border all the time. But now you need a passport. But I got one now. I just got one to do hopefully some traveling in the future, or some cruises or something. So I'd love to go to Quebec City. It's not that far. It's only about 4 hours. I would love to check it out. But up around the main borders, there's so many, like, especially up in northern Maine, they call them Acadians, and there's a lot of French Canadian people that live in Maine. Up near Fort Kent, Presque Isle area. I actually worked up there for a few months. Market's finally rolling over here. We're still inside that 5-minute opening range. So why not Montreal? I've been to Montreal, actually. Yeah, I've been to Montreal. I'd love to go back to Montreal, but Quebec City is the closest for me. Yeah, I've been to Montreal. I went to Montreal when I was a young lad. And yeah, I was up to shenanigans, if you know what I mean. Can your 91 Corolla make it there and back? Oh, yeah. The Corolla would go there and back, no problem. All I gotta do is just put gas in it and push the pedal to the floor. Yeah, guys, I'm not really seeing any trades right now. I tried a few, and it's not working out. A lot of spam phone calls from Canadian numbers. That's weird. But yeah, I went to Montreal. One thing yeah, exactly, Bobby Diggs. One thing I learned about, so I went to Montreal for, oh yeah, I just graduated high school and went to Montreal with some buddies. And one thing, one of the life lessons I learned being from a small town in Maine that never really spent any time in any cities is that you don't go to a gentleman's club in the afternoon. So that was one of the life lessons I learned. No gentleman's club in the afternoon. That afternoon shift, the day shift, is no bueno. Yes, that's the B team. That's right. Yeah. Hey, Linda. Good to know, genius. Yeah. Be more worried about the day shift customers, that's for sure. Yeah, you don't go for the breakfast special at those clubs. That's for sure. If Pine streams from Canada, his eyes are red, you already know why, yeah. Some things can't be unseen. That's right. I've been to Las Vegas. Yeah, I went to Las Vegas recently. I love Vegas. I know I'm kind of a wimp, but I can't get over the cigarette smoke in Vegas. I can't get over it. I don't know. I love going and visiting, but man, I just can't get over it. I'm not a smoker, and it kind of drives me nuts. I mean, I grew up around it, you know, being an 80s kid, but then, you know, I haven't been around it in probably 20 something years, and man, I can't do it. Daytime in Vegas cannot pick. Yeah, exactly. Help on blindly small positions, gold and silver long. What is gold up to now? Yeah, gold's, yeah. This is just gross. Price action. I'm dancing, Moon Rabbit. Happy hour lunch. Apple, yeah. Oh, yeah, down 42. Looks like you're getting smoked. I know. This is the worst when you're at a slot machine and there are smokers at either side of you. Yeah, I can't. The non-smoking casinos. Yeah, so I ended up staying at the non-smoking casino after being in one for the night. I ended up going to the MGM one, whatever that one was. I can't remember what it's called. It's only like one. Park MGM. The Park MGM. Not the most fanciest hotel. I've stayed at the Wynn though. So, oh, look at this pop back up. This is just so crazy. I stayed at the Wynn, and I could say that the rooms and stuff, like once you were in the rooms, it was good. But I stayed at a cheaper hotel on like a 3-for-1 deal. What was it? I think it was I can't remember which one it was. Maybe New York or something, one of those ones. And it was, yeah, really bad. I couldn't even sleep because it was just too bad. Cherie, yeah. They'll never Circus. It wasn't that cheap. It was probably close to the one across from the Cosmo. Not the Cosmo. The it's across from the. I think it's across from the Bellagio. Across the street. It's Resort World. Was it Resort World? No, not Resort World. Sorry, I've stayed at that one before too. Can't think of it. I don't know why. Planet Hollywood. It's Planet Hollywood. Look at that fake out. NASDAQ. See, I stayed at Planet Hollywood. It was pretty stinky. I actually liked the hotel room that I was in. The hotel room was huge. It was nice. Had a wicked awesome view, but it was stinky. But I've stayed at the Wynn before. That was nice, and I didn't get any smell in there. The casino floor, yes, but not in the room. And then I went and stayed at the Park MGM. Yeah, NASDAQ is nasty. And gold rolling over. Ugh. Do we get continuation and finally take out that 5-minute low down there? Hey, what's up, Bear Trader in the house? Makes you nervous? I know. I'm thinking about just popping in short to see if we I mean, we just trapped a lot, and we broke out of this, but I feel like I'm too late. We just pop right back up. But I'm wondering if we finally take out that 5-minute low. Kind of risk chasing it down here. Why not? We're already down on this account. It's risky for the biscuit. I figure one of these 5-minute lows are going to get taken out. It's a very similar trade to what I got in this morning, where I ended up just hopping in and having that continuation to the downside, but could get burned here trying to chase it. That's all right. 468 left. 2-minute harami here. Probably pops right back up. I'm in 2 minis. Come on. Wrong chart, too. Got a current low down there, 600s. See if we can break down through that. Mark clearly didn't want to go up. Get your ass down there. Get down there. Can I gloat about my payout a little bit? I missed it. Oh, today? Yeah, I mean, it was just a good payout. 1,300, or I don't even know. 650, 185, 185, 185, 185. So nice little payout today. Daily payout. The old take profit trader. Here it is. That was today. All right, a little break of that harami to the downside. That's a good sign. Can we get a little can we get a move down below the 600s? Scary spot to short. Not gonna lie. That's inspiring. Thank you, Mototimo. I mean, I'm really trying to go slow with it. Really not trying to make a lot of money. It adds up quick. It is a lot of money that you get, but it's adding up quickly. I'm not going for like these huge big days on a single account, or it's just I'm using the multiplier and then doing it that way. So trying to trade as small as possible on those accounts too. Trying. It's a battle some days. Little inside buy on a 2-minute. Get down there. How you link your account with the wallet to get paid and take profit trader? How do you link the account? It's been so long, man. Birdie, I don't remember. I have it linked right to my checking account. So I don't know. I mean, that's how I get paid my affiliate money too. So I don't know. It's been linked to my bank account for maybe 2 years. I don't even know how it works anymore, to be fully honest with you. I have it linked to like with ACH. It's linked right to my checking account. Hey, Sia, what's up? Oh, I love your trading style. Oh, thanks. Yeah, it's been a little touch and go tonight, but I'm just trying to make something happen. I don't know. I like trading on momentum. And there's just no momentum tonight, so I'm struggling a bit, but. Bullhead, can I ask my funny futures to add trade of 8 props so I can lock out as well? Oh, trust me, it's been discussed. We all discussed it in the all the hosts. So yeah, I mean, I wish I wish I had I wish I was besties with Matt Leach, but he knows who I am, but he doesn't know who I am. I've never talked to him before. I would love to get. I wish we had trade of 8 prop with my funded futures. It would be awesome. The lockout button is a game changer, and right now they're one of the only ones that doesn't have it. I actually didn't think the Apex would get it, and then Apex ended up getting trade of 8 prop. You can see right through here. The lockout button. I'm very surprised. It's got a. I'm sure it costs. It's a cost factor. I'm sure trade of 8 prop charges more for these features. So it's probably one of those deals. Have you never talked to Matt? No. No. I talked to Luke. You guys remember Luke? He used to come on the show. He decided to come on my segment one day. I was like, oh boy. And that was kind of funny. For the fights of my funny futures, appreciate that, Fred. We actually are. We're on the front lines, so we are the marketing team. That's kind of how I consider us, as the marketing team. So we are sort of the face. But one of the things that I would love is when my funny futures has a big announcement that they don't go on Discord and do the town hall, that Matt would come on our show and do the announcements. That would be awesome. I'd love to see that happen more often, but they don't come on the YouTube show much. Luke's a nice person. Yeah, Luke's funny. Luke was one of the founders of Benzinga. So Benzinga, which is a pretty popular software with day trading, things like that. He was one of the founders. And then I think he sold it. So he's a pretty wealthy person. Thank you, Keegan. I agree. I agree. I ain't gonna say too much, but I agree. Yeah. I never understood it, but yeah, I've never talked. I've never had that conversation. Yeah, traders. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, all the things you guys are saying, I agree. This is all the stuff that I complain about for sure. All right, so typical fashion, every single trade that I've managed to get in tonight has chopped me and then has slowly bled my account out. So this is what's been going on tonight. Really struggling to get anything going. Probably the old Tokyo Open, but then I'm gonna be MOA. I'm gonna be, or MIA, I should say, missing in action. I will be at some sort of restaurant getting a drink and some food. Chop hour of pine. It was bad. It was good last night. I thought it was decent, but yeah, this right now is just nasty. I mean, they call it slow markets, but man, it's just really no edge. There's no edge here. If you're slaying it tonight, then kudos to you. I don't know how you're doing it, unless you just happen to catch that short right there or catch the rip up from the open, but it's pretty nasty. It's one of those deals right now. I feel like I'm either gonna hit take profit or just gonna cook the account where it's got 600 left in drawdown. I was like, whatever. But I don't really want to do that. I can save it for New York and see if I can make some money back and try to make another 600 today. It'd be amazing if I could bring this account to payout. This account was left behind. I didn't even know about it until I got it. If you guys are just tuning in, I got an email last night saying that from Apex saying that, oh, you have an account that's gonna be inactive soon, so so I gotta trade it. So I just signed in and I was like, wow, I got a PA with $600 in drawdown left. So let me trade it. And then, so I made 600 on it today. Now I'm currently down 400. Got about $800 left in drawdown. If we can catch the nice little move to the downside, actually be up money if we can take out the low. I don't know if it's gonna want to though. Hey, what's up, Newts? How's the TPTs going? Still going. Still going. Another nice payout today, Newts. So we're just rolling. That's right around 17K in daily payouts this month. So here it is right here, just rolling. 182 times 4 and then 625 is the one I've been slinging around, trying to make a little extra money, but just trying to go for that $200 a day on 5 accounts for, the bag. But yeah, it's been going good. Do I trade swing trades or just scalping? Scalping, but occasionally, I don't know what you define swing trade, like overnight trades. No, but swing trade during the day, no, not that either. But I'll catch, most of my trades is usually around 10, 15, 20 points. That's right in that range. Sometimes I'll catch a nice 50, 60, 100 pointer if I have a nice level that I'm going for. But yeah, just scalping on momentum. Need more likes. Yeah, we do need more likes. Where are we at with likes? I want to get to 200. $167 likes, guys. Let's get to 200 likes. We got 214 people watching. Let's get to 200 likes, and then I can do a giveaway and get out of here. I'm sick of this market. I want to get out of here. I want to go get a drink. This market's driving me to drink. It's my Friday night. Let's do it. I want to do 2 races. Are they gonna push me to live or what? I don't know. I wouldn't mind it, getting a 90-10 split, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna take another payout tonight. Let's see, we're at 174. We don't need not much more. Nice little outside buy here. Can we take out that low, please? I mean, it's a fat hold number, 29,600. You know it's going to take it out eventually. That's not going to hold as the low forever. Tonight's low. It's 175 likes, 217 people watching now. $176. 181. We only need 19 more likes. Smash that like button. Help me get YouTube featured. That's the only thing that really matters is the like button, the chat rate, and the viewership, right? We're going to give away a Lucid Flex 50K to one of you grays, and then we're going to give a Lucid Flex to one of the members. All right, bottom of the hour here, and what has it done? Nothing. $193. You guys can do it. A few more. 194. I'm refreshing. And oh, come on. Take out that low. All right, 205 likes. Appreciate that. Let's do a giveaway. I'm closing this trade too. I don't care. Although it's looking like it's actually going to take out the low now. All right, I'm taking it off. There's just really no edge here. It's just, I mean, I don't mind a coin flip trade every now and then, but this is just no edge there. I don't even want to look at the chart. All right, let's do a quick shotgun here to freshen up the chart. Let's do a quick shotgun here. You guys ready? Exclamation point pine in the chat. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm going to give you guys, what am I going to give you? 45 seconds. 45 seconds here. Let's get ready to do the moose race. Then we're going to do a members only race. All right. Stopping entries. All right, stopping the entries there. Good luck, everyone. Just get these copied. Newt's big boots with the first entry there. Oops. Clear. All right, you guys ready? Let's do it. I'm like, did it take out the low? Let's shuffle the characters. One more time. Go. Here we go. We're off to the races. W. Kevin on the inside lane. Shown. We've got Newts McBoots in the middle there, taking the early lead. I am just trader. 190, what is it, 193 of you in the race. I'm gonna get ready to do the members only race as well. You know what I do? I feel real bad for the people that have to, that stream for other people that are putting in that hourly wage right now that has to stream this crappy price action for the next few more hours. So shout out to the grinders that are working for other people right now. Don't pre-use your NOS, that's right. All right, 30 seconds. Who's it gonna be? Ten seconds. Hit the NOS, hit the boost. Oh, wow. This person kind of stuck, was in the lead and then just held it. Who is it? Stock Tiger's brother. Jay Styles in second place. Wow. Stock Tiger's brother. Let's go. Congratulations. Oh, that's funny. We like Stock Tiger here, so all good. All right, guys. Stock Tiger's brother. Let's go. Nice. Yeah. Now you gotta you can change to Pine Tree's brother now. Email me at PineTreeTrader207@gmail.com and screenshot your YouTube for me so that way I know it's you, Stock Tiger's brother. PineTreeTrader207@gmail.com. Let's do a members only race. But yeah, and just to screenshot your YouTube so I can confirm it's you. Congratulations, Stock Tiger's brother. All right, members only. Hold on one sec. Go. Exclamation point Pine, members only. Oh, did I hit the wrong button? What happened there? Oh yeah, no, we're good. We'll stream delay. All right. What kind of race are we gonna do? Let's do something different. Let's do something different. Let's do the snail race. Okay. Let's do a snail race. All right, all the members in. 21 of you, so that should be a good chance there to win a 50K Lucid Flex. Closing entries. All right, let's do it. Did I get everyone in? But yeah, just make sure here. I like all the members to get in there. Did everyone get in? If you're a member, if you haven't entered, do it real quick here. I just want to make sure everyone gets in, because if you're a member or a mod, you know, it's nice if you guys get in there. All right, I think we got everyone now. Closing entries. All right, that's good. All right, here we go. Good luck. Snail race, let's go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Let's go. The snail race. Move it, you slug. That's right. Turn you into S-Car Go. Come on, come on. 10 seconds. Moving at a snail's pace. It's kind of like this market. Let's go. Oh, Laparetto. Boy, you won again. Congratulations. Dude, you don't have to buy any accounts ever. You won again. I saw you win on My Funded Futures the other night, too. Congratulations. Congrats. Hit me up on Discord. All right, guys. I'm just gonna call it here. I'm calling it early. I really appreciate everyone hanging out. Everyone using code PINE. Really appreciate the support of the channel. And we'll do more giveaways next week for sure. Hit me up on the Discord, and I'll look for your email. Stock Tiger's brother. And I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, My Funded Futures TV. If not, I will see you on Sunday night. All right. Thank you for using code PINE. Apex, 90% off. Get it in. Lucid, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, PINE with a capital P, and Bulenox. Bulenox, code PINE or PINE45 will get you the best deals. PINE or PINE45. Appreciate that. Peace. Thank you, everyone. I'm out. I'm going to dinner. Payout celebration. Let's go.
I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the pine tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, Funded Futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, Funded Futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine tree trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. It's sidebar, hold out, sidebar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Traderify. Keep it lucid, we out.